Well, let's try some expressions. Here's the shell. You can see it has a small flashing icon there that we can work from. And let's start with some expressions. So 3 plus 6, just like you might think to write it, and we see that the value 9 is printed. There is order of operations, which are familiar. 2 plus 3 times 4. Note that the times sign is an asterisk. Now in this case, just like familiar mathematics, multiplication goes before addition, so we do 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 gives us 14. And when the expressions are evaluated, that value is then returned to the shell, which is printed. There is no limit to the size of expressions, how we mix them up. We can make it as long as we like and in any kind of combination. There's one I haven't shown you yet is division. 8 divided by 2, which has a value of 4. There's going to be some more on that later because there's some interesting things that happen with that. We also have the ability to create variables, variable names like x, and give them a value, such as x has a value of 5. And notice that nothing is printed. So here we have what we call a side effect. So we have x is associated with 5. If I want to see what the value of x is, I can print it. And so this will take the variable name x, find the value that's associated with it, and print it. It's very easy. I can reassign that. Now x is 2. If I say print x, x now, x has a value of 2, so that's what we see printed. It is perfectly all right to have expressions on the right-hand side of the assignment. So I can have x equals 2 plus 3 times 4. Again, 3 times 4 multiplication done first. So when I say print x, x now has a value of 14. Two terms that we will talk about more later on is the notion of returning a value as opposed to having a side effect. So when we said something like x equals 5, there was a side effect, there was nothing returned to be printed. Whereas if I said 3 plus 6, there's something that had a value, that was returned to the shell and printed as a 9. That's it for now.